cup run now would be just what Colin Lee could do with Lescott. Branch again, very so dangerous, and it's goal! Adam Proudlock. It's that Branch Proudlock combination again. We saw it against Norwich, and now in the cup. Good header. Really, they need this second goal. This is Naylor. Oh, yes! Wolves have a penalty with a quarter of an hour to go, earned by Naylor's run. Grimsby will be sick of the sight of him. He was the one who set up the first goal at the away leg, and now he's got the penalty for the captain, Kevin Muscat. Look at the keeper, he's leaping all over the place. Couldn't get that one though. And Wolves back in front in the tie, and on the night it's 2-0. Keeper's not happy, but that's not going to bother anybody. It was a good penalty. Muscat was not put off. Breathing space for Wolves.